I am Kiana here in the Glisten Lounge. Today we will be making a cute, cute banana split candle using these containers, y'all. I really like these containers. They're cute. I think they really could have been a little deeper, I would say, but I like them overall. And we will be using this mold here along with some ice cream scoops, okay? But before we get started, wait a minute now. Wait a minute now. Don't come for me for my apron, okay? I wore this apron because I was hoping that my cousin would feel sorry for me and give me a new one, okay? She made these aprons, y'all. So I wore this, okay? Hoping that she'll hook me up, okay? So let's just go on and get... So on with the project. Of course, you're going to need your container. It's just cute, y'all. I just like it. You're going to need your pouring pitcher along with your something to mix your wax with. You can use a spoon, you can use a spatula, and of course your mixer blades. Here's your heat gun and your, not the heat gun, your thermometer and your scale. And of course you're going to need molds. I'm using, of course, ice cream molds because we make a banana split, remember? Cherry mold, and of course, to start the show, which is the banana mold. You're going to need wick stickers, piping bags, piping tips, and of course, your wicks. So I just went ahead on and heated my wax and poured my wax into my container. And of course, I already wicked it. Just try to save a little time. So whatever wax you're using, I always say, go by your manufacturer recommendations until you get it all down, and then you can kind of change up some things through testing to see how much fragrance oil you need or how less you need. Now what I'm doing, I'm just taking my ice cream embeds and I am placing them where I want them to go. It doesn't have to be in any particular order. You can put white, red, and chocolate, or whatever how you want to have it here. It's fine. And then after I place my ice cream embeds, I'm going to adhere the bananas to it as well. So So here goes one of the fun parts that I love, which is whipping wax. So what I did, I took a couple of ounces of wax and set it to the side. I set it to the side. It's already scented from the original batch that I made, so you don't have to put any fragrance oil in it. Right here, y'all, you really can put any type of color that you want to. If you want to have chocolate whip or strawberry whip, or if you want some green whip, you can put whatever color you want inside your whip. So once you whip it and it cools down, then it'll start looking like this. This is so pretty, y'all. Look how pretty it is. Yes. So after you're done whipping your wax, you're going to place it inside of your piping bag. You're going to set up of course, you got to set up your piping bag, okay? So after you set up your piping bag, you're going to take your whip and you're going to decorate your candle, okay? So I'm placing the whip on top of my ice cream embeds. You look, right at this point here, the sky's the limit. You can decorate your candle however you want to, okay? I'm going to place whip right here on the side. I'm going to place it in between the ice cream embeds. Just whatever you want to do. So what I did, I melted some gel wax and I colored mine like a chocolate color here. You can use strawberry, whatever color you want. And this is how it all turned out, guys. So thank you so much for joining me.